Semiconductors, let's back this up to a weekly time frame. We'll look at this first because, as I've been mentioning here, this looks like a big stage 3 distributional top turning into a stage 4 decline that could be similar to what we saw in 2022. Now, this week we broke support, and you have to look at it and say, do we want to get short with it down from 260 to 220, down basically 20%? No, we want to see something like this. And then if it recovers, great. That's fine. That would be the preferred scenario. But what's most likely is that we get trapped below these moving averages and then we see the next leg lower. So in other words, we're due for a bounce here that should make a lower high. Where would that lower high logically come into play? Right up in this zone, the 20-day moving average, the 50-day moving average, the 200-day moving average, the year-to-date anchor, the anchor from the election, all in this zone here. It's a big zone, so we're not going to just look for a bounce up into that area and then say I'm going to short it at 243 because that's a zone. Because again, what if it rallies right through that level? Doesn't seem likely, but we have to look at it and say if it begins to rally and then rolls over, then we want to get short. That's 2 steps ahead. Right now, we still have a pattern of lower highs and lower lows, but that could change just like these other markets. Maybe we do something like this. Then we begin that rally. And you know what? That might be a nice tradable rally in here for the semiconductors. For a swing trade, I think that would make a decent swing trade opportunity. Not with a full size that we'd use in a bull market, because we have all these moving averages overhead and declining, including the 200-day moving average. This is where we were 200 days ago. So next week, this is the data we get rid of. So even if this market rallies, that 200-day moving average is going to continue to bear down on prices here, making it more likely that this is a stage 3 distribution heading for a stage 4 decline.